Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This week we're back with another Ram 1500 video. Let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right into it.
All right, let's go drag racing.
Jumping right into the truck, I got a GoPro mount up here and I have a phone mount right here. And right now I just run my charger to my phone mount. Cheap little phone holder I got from Walmart. And then I got that suction cup GoPro mounts. Because I do record driving around, and you know, these are okay, but they're flimsy and this one falls off. I have to keep re-sticking it, but shout out to Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. Thank you guys for hooking it up this video. If you guys haven't heard of this company or know what they do, they make phone holders, chargers, GoPro mounts, all kinds of accessories for trucks. And they aren't just typical suction cup mounts and whatnot like I currently have in the truck. These mount permanently to your truck. I'll show you guys what I mean. This is super cool. I've loved this idea ever since I saw it. Again, shout out Bulletpoint. Thank you guys. Let's go ahead and see what we got. So starting it off, we have some cable ties, help keep all your wires in place once we get everything mounted and ran how we want. Here's our GoPro mount. We have a cigarette plug with a USB-C and regular USB, it looks like. Bulletpoint key tag, very cool, thank you guys. Here is the ball mount for our GoPro, and then getting into the boxes here, we'll start with the biggest one. So this is what sets these guys apart. This is what I was talking about. This mount goes right in this useless spot above your radio. So I don't know about you guys, right now I have my sunglass cleaner right there. We're gonna remove this piece right here, and our new mount screws directly into this spot. It is a heavy duty rigid mount, no more sticking suction cups everywhere, and it's gonna give us a very cool, clean, finished look. Comes with a screwdriver, bunch of hardware, another ball mount for what I'll show you here in a second. That mounts into that spot there. And as you can see, there is a ton of mounting possibilities. You can add phone holders, you can add more of these ball mounts for GoPros, for accessories, all kinds of stuff. That's what makes this cool, is it's customizable. You can set it up and move things around wherever you want it. This is heavy duty. I'm very excited to get this installed on the truck. Now this one is their wireless charger. So it is a motorized cradle and a wireless charger. No more running cords around the truck. When you snap your phone into your holder, you're automatically charging. Gotta love it. This is super cool. Finally, we got our dash mount arm. This thing comes in a cool like carbon fiber. Got some Bulletpoint stickers. They make these Rubigrid series for a bunch of different trucks, Jeeps, all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna link their website down in the description. Make sure to check it out. These aren't just for Rams. They do make them for a ton of different vehicles. Let's go ahead and get started installing this. This is gonna be a super easy, really straightforward install. Let's go ahead and jump in the truck. Cover we are going to remove, and then that gives us access to some bolts right here. After we got that pad out, we have two T20 bolts we'll remove here real quick. Now that we got those two screws out, all we gotta do is set the Rubigrid right in there like that. I'll take off these screws real quick so we can get to them, but we're using the same exact screws that we just took out to mount it, and then you're good to go. There we go, we got the base plate mounted now. Now let's jump back over the table and figure out how we want to mount the rest of our accessories. We're gonna put our phone charger ball right here, I think. Take our other ball as far over as we can on this side. Then on the driver's side, we're gonna put our arm kit right here for our charger. And our charger will be mounted right here. Set up using this arm to kick it out to make it a little more comfortable to use. For our GoPro mount, we are just gonna mount this directly to the ball right here. And then we've got a GoPro mount. Then we can mount everything right on the truck. In this kit here I got, it comes with a screwdriver, it comes with wrenches. I think this is a bottle opener even, which is really cool. More hardware, everything you need. This even came with a Torx bit wrench, so you guys don't need any of your own tools to install, which is very, very nice. I love all the little details. The bottle opener, it comes with all the tools. It also comes with this thing right here, which says, what is this? Scan me. They call it the F-It tool, and what it does is it's meant to give you an extra grip, tightening everything down to make sure nothing moves. A nice little touch. I was confused when I saw this thing, so we will definitely be using this once we get everything mounted how we want. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything mounted up, and we'll see you guys in a second. your accessories mounted to the actual grid system, all you do is reinstall these 4 screws right here. That attaches the top plate to the base plate, and then you're all good to go. As it has now been a while with our Bulletpoint Rubigrid setup. I am very impressed. As you can see, we got the GoPro set up right here. This wireless charger, all you got to do is set your phone in the stand and it charges. And you also see the motorized cradle by itself. It's got a button on either side. Right now, phone's in there nice and good, charging wirelessly, which I really appreciate. All you gotta do is touch one of these buttons and it lets go of your phone. Now, I did show you guys the cable management system. I'm probably gonna end up using it down the road when I get maybe some other accessories and whatnot. I'm also thinking about getting a longer arm just to bring the phone out a little bit more, and also possibly getting a small arm or using this one for the GoPro, so I have a little bit more versatility there, but could not be happier with how this setup turned out. I also went ahead and just bought these cable clips set. They just got some 3M tape on the back. I put a couple down the side of the truck right here. There's also another one down here that you guys can't really see in the dark, but it just keeps everything nice and out of the way. You could fit probably like 3 cables in here maybe, and just the single one, it has a pretty big mouth, and then you obviously have your separators 2 and 4. But this was a cheap kit. It was off Amazon. I'll link it in the description for you guys if you guys want to pick up a set of these. You can use these at your desk or whatever else too for cords or whatnot. Anyways, yeah, huge shout out to Bulletpoint. Again, could not thank you guys enough. I'm loving the Rubigrid system. Looking forward to adding some more. Everything works great, exactly how it's supposed to. I really love how it utilizes this weird space up here. Now it looks seamless. But yeah, just wanted to use it for a little while and then to give you guys an update. Everything is working perfect. Again, love having my GoPro up here. I can record, spin this out of the way if I need to, or I can record obviously heading down the road, doing time lapses, all kinds of cool stuff. I don't have to worry about my suction mounts falling off or anything weird like that. Everything's all in one spot. So overall, 10 out of 10. Guys, make sure to go check out Bulletpoint for all of your mounting solutions. And with that being said, that's gonna wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything you wanna know. I'll try to help you out best I can. That's it for now. Take it easy and we'll catch you on the next one.